Pixel Push.
Hey there wondering welders, it's Cash from pixelpush.net, here with a really lazy method to weld different geometry together in Cinema 4D. Do note that this method only works in Cinema 4D R20 and above. This method also screws up your topology, so keep that in mind. Let me get a simple scene going. The assets used are in the description. So in this horrible excuse of a daily render, it's obvious where the seams are. But I really like to get this mess to look like it was welded together. The trick to just dump everything into a volume and call it a day. To do this, hit Shift C to bring up the search command and type in volume. Find the volume measure and hit enter. Do the same for the volume builder. Then grab all the geometry and drop it into the volume builder. This creates a low-res, blocky combined volume of everything. To increase the resolution, just drop down the voxel size to 2 cm. If you'd like more detail, you can go even lower to the decimals, but that's gonna take a while to calculate. Great, now everything is starting to fuse together. The sphere though is too blocky for my liking, so I can just go back and increase its segment count. To convert this blocky volume into a mesh, drag the entire volume builder and drop it into the mesher. Sweet. Now here's the magic slider, adaptive slider. Adjust the value as it fits. As far as I can tell, this allows the mesher to adapt the mesh, which gives it this really cool rough edges near the weld points. And that's it. Just drop your materials and be amazed at your shitty excuse for a 3D model. Make sure to experiment with different materials and sliders too, or try adding the SDF Smooth in the volume builder for different looks. This method works on the Motex too, and it gives a really interesting result. As usual, if you'd like to know any specific parts in detail, let me know in the comments down below. If you use this method or just want to show me something cool you've made, tag me at pixelpush on Instagram. That's it for now. I've been Cash, and I'll see ya on the next one.
Pixel Push.